Hi friends, welcome to Microsoft VBA course. Now we are starting our project 1. Under this project we will teach you Excel VBA concepts and we will use recording tools in this project. Under VBA concepts we will learn about module, procedure, class module, class, user form, object, properties and methods. These all topics we will cover in our upcoming projects. Now we are starting our project 1. As you can see, there are a workbook with the name of project 1. Under this workbook we have 9 worksheets from 2012 to 2020. On each sheets we have lead count, and on each sheets we have 5 regions, which is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Bangalore. In this project 1, our task is to calculate total leads of each month and total leads of each region. If we do it manually, it will take time. So we create a macro to save our time by using recording tool. So there are 3 options to record a macro. One is this icon. We can double click on it, and by giving the macro name and assigning a shortcut key, and store your macro as per your choice location and describe your macro name and click on OK. Then you are able to record your macro. Okay. And second option is view tab. Under view tab we have a macros option. Under this we have record macro button. By clicking on it we can record our macro. Okay. And third option is this developer tab. Under this tab we have a button with the name of record macro. By clicking on it we can able to record our macro. Okay. Sometime in our worksheets we don't have the developer tab. Let me show you. Like this. If in your worksheets you don't have developer tab, then you go to the file. Under the file we have this option. Click on it. Under customizable we have developer tab. Check this mark developer option and click on OK. Now you are able to see the developer tab. Okay. Recordable macro. Here you can give your macro name without any space. Here you can assign a shortcut key to run your macro. So we can assign Ctrl+Shift+K. There are 3 options to save your macro: in the same workbook, in a new workbook, or in your favorite or personal macro workbook. So we can save this macro in the same workbook. Here you can describe about your macro. This macro is about calculating region and month wise leads count. Okay. Recording is on. Now we calculate total leads of the gen by using sum function. Okay, control R. Here we can calculate region wise lead counts by using sum product. Control plus D. Okay, format header, and go to the home. Okay, now stop recording macro. Let me show you. Go to the Visual Basic. Now under modules we have module 1. Here you can see the coding. Recording tool generate this coding for us automatically. Okay, now go to the second worksheet, which is 2013. Here we can calculate region wise total counts and month wise total counts by using macro control shift plus K. You can see our macro do it automatically. Same as we go to the 2014, press control shift plus K. As you can see, month wise and region wise total count automatically calculated. Same, go to the 2015 and press control shift plus K. As you can see, macro do it your work automatically. So in 2016 we can calculate total lead counts for each region and for each month by press control shift plus K. Now again macro do it. Same in 2017. We press control shift plus K to complete our task. And the macro we create do it this work automatically. In 2018 again we press control shift plus K. Okay, now we will meet you in next project. Till then, goodbye, and please subscribe my channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and click on bell button to receive notification. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like my page. Thank you so much.